Hi, I'm Franz, and let's see today how to add new vertices while you're extruding out something. You do some shape in Blender. For example, I had a vertex and I added two modifiers, skin and subdivision surface, and now I am holding E and extruding it. I'll do it more visible, and every time I'm stopped, I got new vertex. So now I am continuing extruding. Here I'm choosing the vertex I already got. You hold E and you can extrude out and you can change it. But what if I did not have any vertex here, but I want to add it? So in order to be visible better, I'll go to wireframe. You see one vertex is here and I'm holding shift. I'm choosing the vertex after, and then when both of them are chosen, I'm clicking Ctrl R and you see new vertex here. I can extrude it like that. Something like this. Okay, that's it.